Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Notebook Maths. Today I am going to solve here very important questions, previously asked questions in mathematics. So I am going to solve here another 4 important questions. So last video I have uploaded 4 important questions repeated multiple times. So this is also 4 important questions for you. Very important video. Please watch complete video so that you can get 4 marks questions solutions step by step. I am going to solve here. Okay, here I have written 4 important questions, very important, previously asked in many exams, board exams. So please watch complete video. First question given here: prove that 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 by tan square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. Another question that is given here: which of root 2 and root 2 is a zero of the polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 2x, and why? Asked the reason also. Third question, that is two vertices of a triangle are 3 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 1, and its centroid is given 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is given. Find the third vertex of the triangle. Okay, we asked to find the third vertex of the triangle. Okay, two vertices are given. Now next fourth question, that is from trigonometry chapter, very important: tan a plus cot a whole square minus sin a plus cosec whole square minus cos a plus sec whole square. Okay, we have to simplify this given expression. Okay, this is first and fourth one is from trigonometric chapter. It is for polynomial chapter and coordinate, okay, geometry. Okay, from 4 different chapters, 3 different chapters, we have 4 problems. So very important problems. Let's start the solutions. Okay, I am going to start the solutions for you. Please watch complete video. One by one I am going to solve here. 4 marks questions we are going to solve here. First question is solution for first one, that is what is given: 1 plus, prove that, we have to prove that LHS equal to RHS is given. That is, I am taking first 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. First I am taking LHS, and next I am going to do RHS also, same value. Then both RHS and LHS are equal, we have to prove. Okay, let us start now. LHS is given as 1 plus tan square theta, trigonometric chapter, very important. So this is asked in many exams. Please watch complete video. Okay, now how to solve this? We have to simplify this. Okay, first we have to simplify. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus 1 by tan square theta is given. Okay, now I am writing this tan as sin by cos. Okay, 1 plus sin square theta. Tan means sin by cos. Here tan square is given, cos square theta, plus 1 plus 1 by sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay. Now what here? 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. This cos square theta comes to numerator. Okay. Here what? Sin square 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. I am writing as it is in this step, plus 1 by, I am taking out brackets. Now this comes to numerator, cos square theta by sin square theta. Simply we can write. Okay, now here very easily we have to do this. Now take out brackets here also in first term. 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Here also another one is there. This term is cos square theta by sin square theta. So 1 plus 1 we get 2 here. 2 plus, take LCM. Okay. Sin square theta, cos square theta we get here in denominator. Okay. Now here numerator becomes sin square theta into what you will get? cos square theta. Sin square theta into what we will get? Sin power sin square theta. This becomes sin square theta, because here denominator is cos square theta, we have to multiply with this term. Okay, now cos square theta is there. Which term is not there? Cos square theta is not there in denominator, so we have to multiply with cos square theta. Now we will get sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Okay, now denominator as it is, sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, now this term multiply with 2. Okay, 2 into sin square theta cos square theta plus numerator sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. This is for class 10th trigonometry chapter question. Denominator as it is we have to write. Now what is this? We have obtained 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta. Okay, what we have observed that this is in the form of 2ab a square b square, in the form of a square b square plus 2ab form. Okay, so I am writing it as a plus b whole square sin theta sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. We will get same this line, that is sin square theta a square plus b square, that is sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 2ab, means 2 into sin square theta cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta as it is. Now we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. Since we know this formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always is equal to 1. Okay, using this identity, I am rating it as sin 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. We get. Okay, this is what we obtain LHS. But what we have to prove? 1 by sin square theta into minus sin power 4 theta. But here we have sin square theta cos square theta. So we have to do RHS again. Simplify RHS. Then we have to get same this value. Then we can prove that LHS equal to RHS. Like this we have to prove this question. Okay. Now take this RHS 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. That is what? 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. So this can be written as sin square theta minus sin square theta whole square. Okay, sin square theta whole square. I am writing sin power 4 theta as whole square. So 1 by RHS is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Last step is sin square theta whole square. Okay, in this I am taking out sin square theta as common. 1 by, we get what? Sin square theta we remain with. Okay, now 1 by sin square theta into this 1 by sin square theta, we know the formula, that is cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So applying this formula, we get cos square theta. So this is RHS. RHS equal to 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. And here also what we obtained, LHS also 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. So LHS and RHS is equal to same value we obtained, that is 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. So very easy to prove this problem. So we have to do 2 times simplification for LHS and RHS separately. Then we have to prove that same term obtained for LHS and RHS. Hence we proved. We have to write finally, hence we proved. Okay. This is what we have to prove, that 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan 1 by tan square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. So we have proved this question. Okay. Now next problem, that is which of root 2 and 2 is a zero of polynomial p of x and y. So which of root 2 and 2? Two roots are given here. We have to prove that 0 means what? 0 means root. Okay, that is perfect root we have to prove. That is why, the reason also we have to show. Okay, next one, that is second question. Second solution I am doing here. That is, which of the root 2 and 2 is zeros. Root 2 and 2 are given and p of x is a polynomial is given. That is what? P of x equal to x cube minus 2x is given. Okay, given. So we have to prove that root 2, this is root and 2. Okay, one is root 2, another is only 2. Okay, now substitute x equal to root 2 in given polynomial. Okay, polynomial we have to substitute two values. Okay, p of x equal to what given? X cube minus 2x. Now x equal to root 2 we have to substitute in place of x, that is root 2 whole cube minus 2 of root 2. Then we get 2 root 2. Root 2 cube is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. We get what? 0. Therefore p of root 2 is equal to 0. Since we obtained p of root 2 is equal to 0, the root 2 is the 0 of p of x polynomial. Okay, now another one, that is substitute x equal to another value given, that is 2 is given. Okay, 2 in given polynomial p of x. Okay, that is what? P of x equal to x cube minus 2x. And another value 2 we have to substitute, that is 2 p of 2, 2 cube minus 2 of 2. That is how much you will get? 8 minus 4, that is 4 we will get. This is not equal to 0. Okay, so p of 2 is equal to, p of 2 is not equal to 0. Hence, since p of 2 is not equal to 0, 2 is not 0 of the polynomial given, of the polynomial p of x. Okay, so like this we have to show that any of the root is 0 of the polynomial given. Okay, why the reason is given, conclusion we have to write, that is, since by substituting we have to write substituting root 2 in p of x, the result is 0, whereas substituting 2 does not 0. Okay, we have to write the conclusion at the end of the solution if asked why in the question. Okay, it asked why, we have to write. Okay, reason also we have to write in the end of the solution. Okay, like this we have to show that the root is 0 of the polynomial. Next question, that is what? Third question, two vertices of a triangle are 3 comma 2 is given, minus 2 comma 1, and its centroid is given. Find the third vertex of the triangle. Okay, third question, that is okay, let's do third question solution. Let us take figure here. I am drawing triangle figure. A is given, B is given vertex, and C is, that is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, and C is x3 comma y3 we have to do. Take. Okay, sorry, now we have to find out the third vertex of the triangle. Okay, we have given here what? Two vertices are given. Let us take A as what given in question, that is A vertices are 3 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 1. 3 comma 2 and B is minus 2 comma 1. Okay, and centroid is given, that is how much? Centroid C is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is given. This is how much? 3 comma 2, and this is how much? Minus 2 comma 1, and we have to find C. Okay, now this is third vertex we have to find. To find third vertex of triangle, by using centroid formula. Okay, centroid formula, children, what is centroid formula? Before going to do problems in each chapter, we have to be perfect in formulas. So make a list of formulas. Before going to do problems, we have to take out the list of formulas. Using the formulas, we can solve the problems. Okay, now centroid is C equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, this is the formula of centroid. Okay, now given values we have x1 a, that is 3 comma 2, comma b is what? Minus 2 comma 1, c is what? x3 comma y3. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So substituting the values, we get the third vertex, that is C vertex. Okay, this is capital C, that is centroid. What is centroid? Capital C is given. C is x3 comma y3. Okay, now we have to substitute values. C is 5 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3 is given. Now substitute x1 plus x2 plus x3 values. x1 is how much? 3. x2 is minus 2 plus x3 we have to write by 3 comma y1 how much? 2 plus 1 plus y3 is as it is we have to write to find the value of x3 and y3. Now here we get remained with the value in is what? 3 minus 2 is 1 plus x3 by 3 comma 2 plus 1 3 by 3 plus y3 by 3. Okay, now equate these terms with these values. This term equal to this value and this term equal to this value. So 1 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 3 plus y3 by 3 equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication we get what? 1 plus x3 equal to 515 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Comma 3 plus y3 I am doing as simplification here. 3 ones are 3 minus 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Okay, now 1 plus x3 equal to how much? 1 plus x3 equal to 5 and 3 plus y3 equal to we obtain minus 1. Okay, like this. See here 1 plus x3 equal to 5 here and 3 plus y3 equal to minus 1. Okay, now simplify. x3 equal to this 1 comes to this side, 5 minus 1 it becomes x3 equal to 4. Okay, so now here from this we get y3 equal to minus 1. This 3 comes to this side, minus 3 it becomes y3 equal to minus 4. So therefore we obtain third vertex, that is x3 comma y3 is equal to C vertex, that is from the triangle we obtain 4 comma minus 4 is the vertex of the triangle, that is C. So finding with two vertices we can find the third vertex. Okay, by using centroid formula, if given in the question centroid values, we can easily use the centroid formula. By this we can find other vertex. Okay, so therefore the third vertex of the triangle is C, that is we obtained here triangle C is x3 comma y3 is equal to how much? 4 comma minus 4. So like this we have to easily solve the given problem, very important problem, multiple times asked in many exams. Okay, so this one is third one, and last Fourth question, very important. Okay, I'm going to solve here trigonometric chapter problem. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so for more problems, more videos on previous year question papers, I am uploading last 2-3 days videos also, questions from previous year. So please watch my videos, go through my channel and subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, so here next question is simplify these three terms is given. Okay, what is given? Fourth problem, that is from trigonometric chapter, fourth solution I am doing here. Okay, tan A, question tan A minus tan A plus cot A whole square, tan A plus cot A whole square minus sin A plus cosec A whole square, sin A plus cosec A whole square. Another term is minus cos A plus sec A whole square, minus cos A plus sec A whole square. Okay, now very easily we can do this. I'm going to solve in step by step manner. So practice these problems 2-3 times. Okay, now here tan A I am writing it as sin A by cos A. Cot A I am writing it as cos A by sin A. Okay, first term I am writing it as sin A by cos A. Okay, cot means cos A by sin. I am writing. Okay, to simplify I am writing here like this. Next second term, that is sin A as it is, but cosec I am writing it as 1 by sin A whole square. And next third term, that is what, cos as it is, cos A plus sec A means I am writing it as 1 by cos A whole square. Okay, make sure to write in only one line to easily simplification. Okay, each and every step is important for trigonometric problems. Okay, now a plus b whole square. Okay, here this is in the form of, so now we can LCM, take LCM. So cos A by sin A, that is sin A by cos A, denominator we get here whole square as it is I am writing. Here cos A sin A means we have to multiply numerator with sin A. Okay, we get sin square A. Now here sin A is there, we get sin A cos A, multiply with cos A. So cos square A we get. Okay, first term completed. Now next term, that is sin A plus 1 by sin A whole square. Okay, now I am expanding this term as A plus B whole square. Sin square A plus 1 by sin square A plus 2 into sin A into 1 by sin A. Okay, this is second term, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, now this is also we can write it as in A plus B whole square form, that is cos square A plus 1 by cos square A plus 2 into cos A into 1 by cos A. Okay, this is also A plus B whole square form. A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Okay, now in this step sin A get cancelled, and here also cos A get cancelled. Okay, what is in this step? Here we know actually the formula, that is since the identity sin square A cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to apply this identity in this step. We get this first step, we get what, 1 by sin A cos A whole square is there already, write this. Okay, next term, here what we have remained with, sin square A plus 1 by sin square A plus sin A get cancelled, we remain with 2 here. Okay, Now in this next third term, that is plus cos square a is there, and another term 1 by cos square a plus 2 into cos a get cancelled. We remain with 2 here. Okay. Now we have to again simplify this step. Here 1 by, we have to take this square, sin square a, cos square a. I am writing. Okay. 1 square is 1, no? Okay. 1 as it is. Now here sin square a plus 1 by sin square a plus 2. I am taking out brackets here to make it easy. Plus into minus, minus sin square, minus into plus, minus 1 by sin square a, minus into plus, minus 2, plus is there, plus cos square a, plus 1 by cos square a, plus 2. Okay, plus 2 is there. Now here plus 2 is there, and minus here in question minus is there, no? I am written plus here, sorry, minus is there, minus here also minus. Okay, minus is there, we get what? Minus cos square a, and this is also minus cos square 1 by a, and minus plus minus 2 we get. Okay, now we have to simplify. Next step we get what? 1 by sin square a cos square a is there, minus 2 we have to write here minus 4. Okay, minus 2 I am taking constants, that is these two terms. Okay, now here 1 by sin square a 1 by cos square a is there, sin square a cos square a. I am taking this first one 1 by sin square a cos square a. Okay, this is completed, and I am writing this sin square a minus common, this minus plus cos square a I am writing. Okay, so together I am writing this term sin square a cos square a together, and these remaining terms are 1 by sin square a minus 1 by cos square a remaining. Okay, now minus 4, here see, minus 4 plus what is remaining here, this becomes 1. Identity we are using here, sin square a plus cos square a in trigonometry identity, that is equal to 1. This becomes minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, this term I am writing, this term, 3 terms are there to simplify. Sin square a cos square a, 1 by sin square a cos square a, minus 1 by cos square a. So remaining 3 terms are there to simplify here. So this becomes minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Okay, now here what we have to do next step, 1 by sin square a cos square a minus 1 by sin square a cos square a. So here I am simplifying this as LCM I am doing here. 1 by sin square a cos square a minus here sin square a in 1 by sin square a cos square a. Okay, here what? Sin square a is there, cos square, and here minus common I am taking, plus we get here cos square a is there, sin square a we have to multiply in numerator. Okay, now here also sin square a plus cos square a is becomes 1. From using this identity it becomes 1. Okay, now let's do this. Minus 5 plus 1 by sin square a cos square a as it is, minus 1 by, I am writing 1 by second term, that 1 by sin square a cos square a, minus this whole term becomes, numerator becomes 1. Okay, from the identity. So remaining is denominator sin square a cos square a. Now very easily we can do this step. Okay, here what? 1 by sin square a cos square a minus 1 by sin square a cos square a get cancelled. Okay, now remaining is only constant term, that is minus 5 we get. Okay, so very easy to do these steps. Okay, this problem is very important, so make sure that understand very well. each and every step. In single mistake also the answer will be wrong. Okay, please use this identity, that is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We know this identity from trigonometric chapter. So we have to simplify each and step clearly. Okay, so please watch this video. If you don't understand any problem, please comment me in comment section. I will make sure to make the video on that problem. Okay, thank you for watching. That is 4 problems I have uploaded in this video. In last video also I have uploaded previous problems for class 10th class 10th maths important questions. These are 4 marks questions. Okay, if you are perfect in 4 mark questions, please do subscribe my channel for more updates on maths questions. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, for more updates please subscribe my channel. I have uploaded each and every step clearly to understand you. Very important questions for your board exams. Thank you for watching. Thank you. If you have any doubt, comment me in my comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.